Hi everyone, welcome to Addota Farm. In today's video, I'll be discussing with you amazing ideas on how to start up a rice business. Now, rice business is lucrative in Nigeria, not only in Nigeria but all over the world. If you run a successful rice farm, you are going to get a very huge amount of money and very good profitable from the rice business. Now, before I continue, I would like to discuss a story of a man with us called Roten Williams. He's the second largest producer of rice in Nigeria. Now, one amazing thing about this person is he doesn't study agric in school. He just listens to the articles that people just read the articles that people wrote on internet and some few information concerning the rice, on how he could plant the rice and how he could harvest the rice. But now he's the largest producer of rice that we all know right now. This particular person is a banker and also the person is a banker and also a lawyer. But now he's the largest producer of rice. It doesn't mean that you are an agric or you study agric in school before you could start up something that concerns agric. It doesn't matter. You can just practicalize this stuff in your backyard or in your farm, and you see that at the end of the year you are going to harvest a good farm product and are going to sell it at a high quality. In short, Nigerians, we are going to face some problems like the supply of food the supply of food will exceed the demand of food. Like we are going to demand, like many people are going to demand, but the supply of food will be limited. Yes, the supply of food will be limited. So we are trying to see ways on how we could start up something that will fetch us money. Something that will supply people to their expectations, something that people need. We try to create such thing so that people will start buying it from us. In this particular video, like I said earlier, is a rice farming videos. So to start up a rice farming, there are some few guidelines that you need to take. Then you can start and run a successful rice farming. Now, do you know that Nigeria, we Nigerians depend on importing of rice alone. We are not learning on how to plant the rice ourselves. We just depend on bringing the rice from the abroad. Then we'll start buying it in Nigeria. In short, most of the food that we consume, the popular food or the most food that we consume in Nigeria is rice. If you agree with me, during this pandemic period I just went, you'll know the amount of rice that you bought in your home. You know the amount of rice you bought. If you could just practicalize this step and you grow something like that, this particular rice, then instead of you going out to go and buy the rice, it's something that you harvest it and start eating it with your family. It doesn't matter that you start in a big way. You cannot start in a small way, like subsistence farming, not commercial farming. Now there are two types of rice. We have the dry season rice and we also have the rainy season rice. But this particular video is for dry season rice. In a dry season, all you just need to do first, if you want to start a rice business, which is the dry rice business farming in this season, all you just need to do is number one, just get your land. As we all know, rice, any land that we are going to use to plant rice is a land that must, the water capacity must be high. It must be a land that has a high routine of water, not just an ordinary land. So you just need to do is to get the right land that has a high capacity of water. Then secondly, clear your land, preparation of land. All you just need to do, we are in the dry season already. All you just need, after you get the good land, then you clear the bush, prepare your land for cultivation, clear the bush, bring tractor to come and cultivate or clear the bush, burn the bush. After clearing everything, then you start cultivating your rice farming there. Then number three, get the varieties of rice. Now there are different varieties of rice. All you just need to do, get the best one that will yield or that will grow fast and quick. Now the dry season rice will grow fast, if you ask, because if you want to buy a seed, rice seed that you want to plant now, they'll ask you, is it the dry season one or the rainy season one? All you just need to do is just to get the right one, with the dry season, because this particular video is for dry season farming. Just get the dry season seed of the rice. Then after getting the good land, clearing the bush in your land, then cultivate it. Then number 4, harvesting of the rice. Like I told you, dry season farming, as in it doesn't take long period of time. Dry season farming doesn't take long period of time at all. Just a short period of time. Before you know, you already start harvesting your farm products. Now if you plant the rice now, something to like March or April, you start harvesting it. Before the rain starts dropping, you start harvesting your rice already. All you just need to do is to do the irrigation bed, the nursery bed of the rice. Just do the nursery bed. After getting the seed, do the nursery bed. Buy pumping machine that will be pumping water through to the roots of the rice, so that it will help the rice to grow very well. Please kindly, once again, please, if you are new in this channel, please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop our new videos. Please kindly like our videos and share.